Alright guys, I'm doing this video to eradicate a lot of problems that people are having with Binance, thinking that Binance is still working partially. There's other thing, Bybit, a lot, they are still working as a crypto wallet. Okay, Trust Wallet is still working, but some people find it difficult to operate. This is the simplest one I want to introduce to you. If you are meeting me for the first time, this is Journey for Christ Digitals, where I share premium videos that can make you good money making. If you check our last 4 videos, you're going to see a lot of videos that can make you cool cash while in Nigeria and while in other country. So if you are just joining us, I want to welcome you in my own way. Subscribe and click on the bell notification so that I can welcome you in my own genuine way. So welcome once again. This is an easy way and easy to use where you can buy, you can sell, you can deposit, you can withdraw into your account directly. If you have a dollar, you're thinking that where can I convert my dollar to naira? This is a simple app you can use to do that. You can see I just did this transaction today from Bybit into this account and it entered successfully. You can transfer anything. Okay, you can buy, you can withdraw, you can buy, you can sell, you can deposit, you can withdraw from this section. As you can see, we have like 3 sections there. Look at this section. We have the Naira section, the Bitcoin section. Okay, the other one also is what? And we have the USDT section. Okay, now anything you want to do, maybe this is Naira, you want to deposit money, you can deposit money into this place. You can see I have a pending deposit. I have a pending deposit, okay? You can deposit money and they will give you the equivalent dollar. Okay, you can deposit money directly into this app, all right? You click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, maybe you want to buy dollar, okay? You don't know how to buy dollar. Come here, come and buy your dollar directly. Free, just click on it. Press the amount of dollar you want to buy, okay? Press the amount of dollar you want to buy. Okay, can you see it's from 500 to 50,000 based on the level you are. Once you register, you're going to be on that level. This 500 to 50,000 naira. So you click on your desired level price that you want. So once you click on that price, you press on next. They will generate an account number for you. Pay it. It's very secure. It is so secure and there is no problem with that. If you want to withdraw your money, also very easy to withdraw your money. You have to just verify those things that they need from you. Okay, now maybe this is USDT. You want to buy USDT. Okay, you want to buy USDT direct. Maybe you have deposited money. Can you see the amount of money? One USDT is 1,150. Maybe I want to buy USDT. Okay, you type the amount of USDT you want to buy. Okay, right now I don't have money there. I will buy USDT. If you want to buy USDT, this is the process you follow. The amount of USDT you want, you write it in naira. Maybe 5,000 naira. Okay, 5,000 naira will give you 4.34 USDT. Let me just try something like, if I write 10,000 naira, how many USDT? 8.6 USDT, okay? But you must have deposited that naira inside your account from the first one I showed you. Alright, guys, okay? So if you want to sell, maybe you have USDT, you want to sell, I have 3.7, I want to sell. I'm selling at the rate of, can you see it here? That means I'm selling at the rate of 1,100 at the time of doing this thing, okay? To naira. At the time of doing this thing, okay? This is how you sell it. If you want to sell, okay? You want to send to another person, you want to send USDT, you have to verify. Make sure if you have not done the verification, okay, you have to verify. Receive, yes, maybe you want to receive from someone, okay. The best one is still TRC20. You just copy, you come here and copy, the wallet address, okay, is TRC20. Let me check others. We have Cello, Polygon. TRC20 is the most popular one that this yellow app can give to you. You will be thinking that which app is this guy talking about, since the app I am talking about is Yellow Card. The app is called Yellow Card. You can see the app is called Yellow Card. The description link is down below. And once you log in, you have to register. It's very easy. Okay, I've just a description link there. You have to register and make sure you put referral link. I will paste the referral link also there. The link, click on the link to register. If you register, as of this time, they are giving $2. Okay, once you put the referral link, they are giving $2. By the time you are doing it, if they are still giving $2, we will know. All right, so that is what they do here. crypto, you want to do crypto exchange, okay? So that is what they do. You can try and verify your account, set your payment details, set your account details here. Set your account details. Can you see the account I put there? The account they have is not much. So where they can deposit it, in case you want to sell anything, they can deposit your money, create your security PIN. Please, when you are registering, please note everything you are putting down. Don't come back and say you are having problem with your PIN. Please note everything, because this is what you are going to be using for now to do some transaction. You can send your dollar, to this place, you can sell it from this place, you can buy dollar from this place. So easy. They call it yellow card. All right, very easy. Make sure when you are registering, they are going to do your face registration also in one aspect. So make sure you do that. And it's going to solve Binance, Bitly, Trust Wallet. This thing solve all their problems. You can buy, you can sell, you can deposit, you can withdraw your money in Naira, in USDT. If this thing has helped you, drop a comment below. React to this message.